Although this might seem a really small solution for your setup if you're doing YouTube videos or just casually creating content, but I'm going to share something really important for your setup to automate your setup to create as much as video possible, and why it's really crucial for you to get more productive and get more efficient to put out more videos on your channel, which was so helpful for me. And I want to share with you that this little thing will change the way you create more videos, and you don't stack with the small things, and you will avoid those frustrations. So with that one, I have this product from IKEA or any other company. You can get this one. This is a smart plug. It means you can plug your whole setup with this smart plug. You have your main light, camera, your computer, your key light, the other light in your background. You can just plug it in one socket using this smart product. It's a smart plug. It costs you 25 Australian dollar right now, but you can get it from different companies. It's smart, it's very good. It has a fuse inside it and has a good safety features. Also, it can accessible with the phone applications. So I'll show you the phone application that I'm using with this one right now. So this is the IKEA app called Home Smart. You can easily find it, and you see you can add it to your, I hope you can see it. You can add it to your home with your home IKEA setup. Like you have your IKEA smart lights or smart speakers and stuff you have, and then you can add this one with your products. So once you add it, you can see here, I hope you can see it right now. I have these 4 lights and 1 smart plug. So it means if I come here, I can just tap this one and my whole setup is on, and I can tap this one, my whole setup is off. So this can automate your setup, that you don't worry too much about like turning on different stuff. Like let's say if you don't have this one, you can set in your setup, you don't have your charger handy, you don't have your key light on, like you get frustrated. Like, you know what I'm saying, you know, you get frustrated and you're like, I have to reach out and turn on the key light, I have to reach out, put my camera in charge. But if you have everything plugged in and your setup is just there, and you want to create as much as video possible, then you create your setup, then you plug all the things with this smart plug. Then let's say you come from outside and you have something in your mind and you want to create video about it, and you want to make it as quick as possible because you want to save the time. So then you open your phone and it's connected. You just click turn on the plug, then everything is on. You turn on the camera and you start speaking on your camera and you create the videos. So this is a game changer for me, because previously I was like, some of my lights like are far at the behind the room, it's plugged on the wall, and I have to get up and go and plug it, and the other things. It was a bit frustration, and in these small things sometimes will make you really frustrated, and you're like giving yourself a negative energy that you don't want to create this video. Because sometimes when you get in your comfort zone, it's really hard to like get out of it. Like if you don't get accountability, it's really a bit hard. But this thing will push you in those areas a bit more. Like you turn it on and your camera is on, now you have to speak. So you speak and you create a video, everything is on, you get inspired. So yeah, that was my little inspiration from this product. You can get it from any companies, but this video is not sponsored by IKEA or anything, but I really like this product and I bought it for $25 and it's 100% worth it. So go and buy one of these. If you're already using it, you know what I'm saying. If you're not using it, just buy one of these and see how much it can affect your automation of the setup you have. Even if your house is plugged in with the smart IKEA bulbs, then you can use different IKEA smart products with the phone applications to turn it on and turn it off. Just make it easy. It's like a smart home. Now you have a smart setup. So I hope you like this video. I'll try to create more videos with the small things and crucial things that can create a big change in your setup, in your creating content, and a lot of things that can happen in your content creation journey. I'm going to share my honest opinion and experience that you don't make those mistakes and save your time for yourself to get sooner in your goal. Thank you for watching the video.